Burning that midnight oil, ladies and gentlemen. I know she looks kind of ridiculous right here, but you know, we got the interior put back together. I decided to relocate this comfort control module. I feel like even though I think we've resolved the flooding issue inside the car, I don't want to risk this being a problem for anyone else in the future. So we are rerouting the wiring harness up, and I'm going to mount it underneath here where it should be safe away from moisture from now on. So I guess the main issue right now is we cannot get into this trunk. There is a valet position under here, and we have it in regular mode, so it is capable of unlocking. The key unlock is the manual part. You can turn it and push, and it should unlock. Unfortunately, it doesn't. So you cannot manually open the trunk. Something's wrong. The actual release is a button right here. You can push it, not with the top open. When this whole thing is folded back down, you can push it. You can hear the actuator clicking and working, but the trunk will not release. Somehow, this thing is it's jammed. So what I've done is I'm running out of options to open this, man. So I open the roof, and when you open the roof, this part opens up. This all does it automatically. So this part opens up, and it gives you some access to the trunk. Now there's an emergency lever in here, an emergency release right there that I thought, oh hell, no problem, we'll just get to that. But that doesn't work either. And so far, we found a mag light. This is a legit mag light too. This is no fake. It's the real deal. It works. These things are awesome. I don't know what this piece is right here, but this is in my way now. It kind of lifts up. I don't know what the hell it is. I'm about to just break it to get it out because I'm going to have to crawl into this trunk, and we are going to have to either cut or I don't know. We're going to have to get this cover off because that latch, I can see it right there, and we've got to get to it and try to figure out what the hell is wrong with it. I mean, I know the trunk isn't like some huge mechanical issue, but people are going to want to get in the trunk. You know what I mean? If you can't open the trunk of your car, it's going to make it very difficult to sell. So we got to get in the trunk of the car. That's just all there is to it. We have to get in. Slight issue with this window. All the other windows are working fine. This window catches a little bit, so sometimes you got to get out and help it up. But you know, aside from that, not too much wrong with it. I just got to figure out how to get into that piece of the trunk. I really hate breaking it. I don't know what this thing is, but I think I'm gonna have to just break it. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what the hell this piece is for. It doesn't appear to go to anything important. So I literally took a pry bar and I just smashed the hell out of it. So there's some cables, some gears. Shit, I hope it wasn't important. Now it's starting to look like it might have been a little important. I don't know. Let's see what we got back here though. We got cake boss. Oh, we got some K-cups. We got some light bulbs. There's a damn rearview mirror right there. Hell yeah. There's the rear view with the piece still attached to it. Good, good. So that'll save us some time. Tire pressure gauge, a wash mitt, some bulbs. This looks like some old moldy food. Donuts, yep. Spar. LED bulbs. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, at least we got some room to get in here. Oh shit, the roof just fell on me. Alrighty then. Alright, so here's the plan. We're gonna try the emergency release by locking Tim in the trunk. So if the trunk doesn't open, so we're actually gonna lock him in this. We're gonna tell the car to like put the top down, and we're gonna lock him back there. All right, here she goes, Tim. He's now locked in the trunk. Okay. Give it a shot. It seems the emergency release is still not working. Okay, push hard on the trunk. Nothing? Okay. I'm going to get him out of there before he gets claustrophobic. And well, I don't think there's much he could really damage back there. But uh-oh. It won't open, Tim. Because I broke the storage box. Oh, shit. Yes. It says, soft top, please lower storage box. Oh, shit. All right, so Tim is out of the trunk. We had to use the emergency key. Apparently the storage box or something has a sensor. And I guess we're going to have to find that because I broke it. And it has to be lower or something. I don't know what the hell. This is great. All right, so here's what I did. I'm literally in the trunk of my car right now. And what I decided to do was just take a razor and cut this right above the latch. And what I found is something just came undone under here. I don't know exactly what, but all of the cables that run the locking mechanism are just stuck. So I simply reached down here and pushed by hand manually really hard. And as you can see, I've got a gap here. So I'm gonna climb out of here. All right. So in an effort to fix the trunk, we may have actually broken the soft top. I don't know. I don't know. Now we can focus more on what in the hell is going on under here. Whew. Okay, so I figured it out. And I fixed it with a pair of these. So here's what the underside of the Audi trunk looks like. Now let me show you what was happening. When this latches right here, all right, this rod, along with the keys, there's two other ones right here. These had way too much slack, and so did this. So when you push the button, it would open to right there, and it wouldn't go all the way. And I'm thinking, wow, we're going to need to replace this. And what I did is I decided to take up the slack by using some needle nose, clamping them on, and just giving it a light twist to take up the slack. Now watch. When I push the button, which is right here, bingo! So now we close the trunk, and the trunk opens. And it also fixed the issue with the key. It opens with the key now. So this is resolved. Now the only problem, Tim's laughing because it's funny. It's not really funny. I mean, the fact is, the trunk had to open. We had to get in the trunk. Nobody's going to buy a car that you can't get into the trunk. We've got a couple light bulbs out back here that's causing lights to come on the dash and all that other crap. So this had to be done. I just, I wish I'd come up with a better way than breaking this stupid box. I don't know what the hell this box is for. There's only a couple of pieces missing. But the box won't let the top work. The soft top doesn't work anymore because something needs to be lowered. Then we got this stupid switch right here. I don't know what the hell this is either. This goes to that box, though. I can feel how it's binding up. I guess I need to Google what the hell. You can hear it. It's, I don't know, maybe leave it in that direction and see if it changes anything.
Probably would have come out if you had unlatched that.
I don't know. Damn it. I mean, at least the trunk works, but now the top is broken, right? Yeah. So there you have it. Another day, another dollar. Or should I say another day, another project resolved. So as it turns out, this stupid storage tray thing is nothing more than some kind of gimmick. I don't know what it is. We're throwing it in the garbage. We're going to pretend like it doesn't exist. We're going to put that piece back on. We can come back here now and look at that. We can open the trunk. Soft top works. We do have to put it back together. What I found is on this stupid box, I'm literally just I'm gonna take this whole thing out. I'm not gonna cut the cords in case someone ever wanted to try to put this back together again. I'm not gonna break it any more than it is. I'm gonna leave those cords alone, but I'm gonna take all this out, just pretend like it doesn't exist. I don't know what the hell it's back there for, but it doesn't seem to serve any purpose other than maybe supporting some of the weight of the top. I don't know. Like I don't know what all this does. But what I can tell you is there's a switch on here somewhere. I cut the wires right there. There's a switch, and that's what was preventing the soft top from opening. It was like, lower storage tray, lower storage tray. Yeah, no, we're not fit to do that. So I simply cut the wires, spliced them together to make the computer think that it was all good. And there you go. So, you know what? Maybe we'll throw that storage tray back in there. Yeah, we might put the storage tray back in because it does look like its job is to support some of the weight of this heavy roof. So I think we'll just put it back in and it just won't work. But look, we got all kinds of crap back here. I mean, look, what is this? This is I don't know what this is. It's part of the car, I'm pretty sure. We got, what is this? There are all kinds of stuff back here, man. A little headphone connector thing. We got some cleanup wipes. We got some Armor All. We got some giraffes. I mean, giraffe. Did I call this a giraffe? we got a zebra. We got some wires. What does this go to? I don't know. This is kind of cool. Some kind of a charger thing, satellite radio, auxiliary. We got some goof off stuff, more stuff. We got hella bulb. That's probably one of the bulbs needs to be replaced. We got all kinds of crap back here. Guess we need to go through this and see what the hell we got. Lift this up. Oh, we got a full-size spare with a rim? Oh. Yes, we do. We got a one of the original OEM rims. This baby's almost OEM. We got us a convertible, ladies and gentlemen. And I think that's where we're going to end this video because the top didn't work. The trunk didn't work. Tim got locked in the trunk, and we had a hell of a time getting him out. So thank you, Tim, for getting locked in the trunk and not getting claustrophobic. We're going to put this bad boy back together, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, if you like this content, give the video a big thumbs up. If you think we did, you know, I mean, I know it's kind of butchering what we did, having to pull things, cut things, but, you know, sometimes when you got a trunk that's stuck, like it is stuck, and there's no way to get into it, it could have been a lot uglier. You've got to get to this latching mechanism. You know, you just have to, because that is what's holding it closed. And you can either go through this side. I don't recommend it. Or if you can get to it from in here. So, you know, basically Tim's putting some Gorilla Tape on the back side of this. You'll never see it, and it'll look halfway decent. But, you know, it is what it is. It's fixed. You know, that's what this is all about. Figuring this stuff out, making it work. Give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not currently subscribed to the channel. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there, everybody. We will catch you very soon in the next one.